Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Velvet Briere. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and please do not forget to click on that notification bell so you will always be notified when I upload a new video. So I remember I told you guys a couple days ago I joined a direct mail flyer opportunity. It is also a postcard opportunity, and it is called the Original Birthday Bank Original Birthday Bank. Okay, this is the flyer. And I'm going to read over the flyer and explain a couple things. And also, I received my welcome kit. I received my welcome kit in the mail yesterday. Didn't get to make a video yesterday, but was busy. So I came back and decided to make it today. So it says, imagine your own birthday bank. Open your own birthday bank. Imagine your mailbox bursting with $20 bills. Let the party begin. Imagine going to your mailbox and pulling out several envelopes filled with birthday cards and cash. This is free money and every dollar is yours to keep. The birthday bank system is designed to help you with these everyday bills, like gas and groceries, while bringing you lots of fun money so you can be free to do the things that put a smile on your face. All the cash goes directly to you. No middleman or monitor fees to pay ever. To get started, send a birthday card along with $20 to the person listed below. You will receive your birthday bank welcome kit containing your flyer, the birthday bank quick start guide, mail order resources, and a yearly subscription to the birthday bank newsletter, a $199 value. Please, no checks. So basically, and before I get started, you guys, there was a flyer going around. It was not the original birthday bank flyer, but it was called the birthday bank. Just letting you know, this is the original birthday bank system. Ruben is the owner and the creator of this, and this flyer is copyrighted. So right here, it shows you right here, it has the copyright symbol. So do not, I repeat, do not make copies of this and go turn it into your own system or anything like that. Okay, it is copyrighted and there will be legal action taken. Just letting you guys know. Just like my book that's on Amazon, Secrets Kept from the Dark, it's copyrighted. So if anyone tries to take it or make a copy, I can pursue legal action. So understand that, you guys, that somebody did take this and turn it and make it their own and just slapped the name Birthday Bank on it, and some people joined it. And but this is the original Birthday Bank system, and it comes with the difference between this one and the other one. It comes with the welcome kit. Okay, so basically how you get started is I can email you a copy of this flyer. Okay, and you're gonna fill it out right here. It tells you what to do. You fill it out. Okay, you put yes, encloses a birthday card and $20. Please, no checks, cash only. So please send the birthday bank system so I can start receiving lots of birthday cards and cash. So you're gonna put your name, your address, city, state, zip code, okay? And you're gonna get a birthday card. You can choose a birthday card from the Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, Rite Aid, Walmart. It doesn't matter where you get it. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, okay? And it doesn't have to be your birthday, as another thing, okay? So you're gonna select yes, encloses the birthday card and $20 cash. So you're just gonna fold this up. You're gonna fill this out, fold it up, get a birthday card, and put $20 cash inside the birthday card along with the flyer. You're gonna send the birthday card, the flyer, and the $20 to the person listed on the flyer. In this case, it would be me. My information is, I covered it up because I don't want anyone to see it. But you would be sending the $20, the birthday card, and this flyer to me. And then once I receive it, I would send out your welcome kit. And I would email you a copy of I would customize your flyer for you, and I would email it to you, okay? So yeah, you will receive your flyer with your information on it, and all you do at that point is just mail it out and then sit back and let the birthday cards with cash flow, okay? So that's the flyer for the $20 birthday bank system. Level 20, there's four. There's $20, $50, $100, and $300. If you come in at the higher levels, you get the lower levels for free. So I believe if you come in at the $300 flyer, you get the $100, the $50, and the $20 for free. If you come in at the $100, you get the $50 and the $20. If you come in at the $50, you get the $20 for free. Okay, so Remember, if you come in at $300, I believe you get the $100, the $50, and the $20 flyers for free. If you come in at the $100, you get the $50 and the $20 for free. If you come in at the $50, you get the $20 for free. Okay, so I'm at the $20 level right now. I'm going to be joining the $50 level pretty soon. Okay, so without further ado, let me open my welcome kit, show you guys what's in here. Okay, I've been waiting for this for a while. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. Look at this. This is the Birthday Bank Quick Start Marketing Guide. Wow, I love this, okay? And I got some leads here. I got leads. This is awesome. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, and this is my flyer I received. Has my name on it. I'm not going to show you guys that, but this is my flyer. And, so, wow, okay. I received a lot of flyers with my name on it. Okay, wow. So, I got leads, and I got the Quick Start Marketing Guide, okay? So, I'm going to go over this with you guys, okay? So, this is where you're going to find how to market the Birthday Bank system, okay? Okay, so this shows you how to fill orders, okay? Basically, when you get a sign up with the Birthday Bank system, you're gonna need to send them their welcome kit, okay? And that's why you need to, when you get your welcome kit, you need to read everything that's in here, okay? So, and in case you're wondering, this is what a blank flyer looks like, the Birthday Bank system blank flyer. That's what it looks like, okay, without anything on it. And this is about the postcards, okay? This is what the postcards look like, okay? Okay, so sorry, guys, I'm just reading over this. Okay, so this is basically letting you know when you want your postcards, how to get your postcards. You will be sent a PDF template sent to your email about your postcards. You can just upload that template to any place where you can get postcards. I recommend Got Print or Print Founders, okay? And this is the newsletter request form. The Birthday Bank newsletter request form, okay? Then you can there's leads, you can get coupons for leads in here. There's a lot of goodies in here, you guys. I'm not going to show you everything, but I have a lot of things. Wow. And there's other opportunities in here as well. So, you guys, there's a lot. This is why we say when you guys get into direct mail, you need to read everything that comes in your welcome kit. This is the Birthday Bank Quick Start Marketing Guide. You need to read everything that comes in here, okay? Has a lot of very good information, and I'm going to be reading over it because I want to know how to get my postcards. I love the way those postcards look. I've been watching a lot of videos on them, and I got my flyers here. I'm so thankful for my sponsor, Michael McDuffie. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for all the support you've given me, and thank you for sending me my welcome kit. I'm so grateful that I finally got it, and I'm so grateful to be on part of your team. So if you guys are interested in joining me in the birthday bank, original birthday bank system, flyer opportunity, all you'd have to do is let me know in the comment section if you're ready to join. Let me know. Just say send me the $20 birthday bank system flyer, the original birthday bank flyer, and I will send it to. I will email it to you, and you just print it out, fill it out. Make sure you have. You need to make sure you have a birthday card. So you fill out the flyer, get a birthday card, put $20 in the birthday card, and fill out the, and make sure you mail the flyer along with the birthday card and the $20, and then mail it to the person listed on the flyer. And then once it's received, your welcome kit will be mailed to you, and your flyer will be emailed to you. Okay, so you're gonna have to make sure that you print clearly. Okay, because the person you're mailing it to needs to be able to read your address, so they can make sure you get your information put on your flyer correctly. So if you would like your email address or your phone number put on your flyer after you join, you need to let me know that as well, and I will make sure to include that. Either an email address or a phone number, okay? If you don't want to receive phone calls from people that would like to join you in the original birthday bank system, then you can include an email address and they can email you, okay? So it's either the one. I put my phone number, it's my business phone number. I always leave that number in the description because it's not my actual phone number, it's a business phone number, okay? And it's basically a Google Voice number, but it is a phone number. It looks like a business number, that's why I got it. And those work very well. They're linked to your actual phone number. So whatever your phone number is, that phone number that I always leave in the description is linked to my real phone number. It's going to go to my phone, the one I'm recording on right now. So whenever I receive a text message on my Google Voice number, it's going to go straight to my phone. Okay, so yeah, this is a great opportunity, and if you guys would like to receive birthday cards filled with cash, you need to email me ASAP or call me at the number I'm going to leave in the description, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys decide to join me in the original birthday bank system, and I'll see you guys at the top. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and stay safe, you guys. Don't forget to check out my book, Secrets Kept in the Dark. It's on Amazon right now. All you have to do is go to Amazon, in the search bar, Secrets Kept in the Dark by Velvet M. Davis. Now, my married name is Briere because I got married, but before that, I was Davis. So you're going to have to type up Davis. Like Velvet M. Davis is my name. So the last name has changed, but that is my name on the book. So you have to search up Velvet M. Davis on in the search bar. Okay, but going forward, all of my books will say Velvet M. Briere. Okay, so Secrets Kept in the Dark is live on Amazon. The second book, I'm already in the process of getting that copyrighted. The third book is almost done. I got 2 more chapters in the third book, and that will be copyrighted. And then that whole book series will be out, and you guys, I can tell you so much about it once it's done. Okay, and I'm going to be traditionally published as well. I'm researching that as well because I want to go through a traditional publisher. So if any of you guys are authors out there, and I'm talking #1 best-selling authors, please email me at the email address below letting me know what's the best traditional publisher, because I'm looking to go to becoming traditionally published. Okay, just because I would like to have both, be independently published and traditionally published. Okay, I don't like to have all my eggs in one basket, like, I spread them out. Anyways, so that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Comment below letting me know what you think I need to work on. If you would like to join me, like I said, email me or call me or text me, and we'll get you started. I can email you a copy of the flyer, fill it out, send it back along with a birthday card and $20 cash to the person listed on the flyer. You send the flyer back, the $20 cash along with the birthday card to the person listed on the flyer, and then once they receive your payment, they will mail out your welcome kit to you and email you your flyer back, and then you can print out your flyer and start mailing out your flyers ASAP. Okay, like I said, when you do get your welcome kit, read it because there's tons of information in here. Okay, I'm actually going to go over it right now. So Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and stay safe, you guys.